Welcome back to today's video, and now I am going to teach you how to use the data types in Python. First off, we have the numeric types, and it contains the integer, float, and complex numeric types. Firstly, we have the integer type, which is where I put the number 100. Next up, we have the float type, which is where I put the first three numbers of pi and the random numbers I type. And here, last but not the least, is the complex type, which is where I put 4 plus 5j. And in the sake for output, I have now also put a print command for the x, y, and z strings. So here is the result right here, and we're going to proceed to the next one. Next up is we have the sequence types, which contains the string, list, and the tuple. So now here in the string, I define the string as name and put a name Minjong. And now I have to make a list. And in the list, I define the list as apps. And I have to put down some well-known apps such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And lastly, we have the tuples. So in the tuple, I defined it as coords and put down some random coordinates. And also, after all this typing, I have to put down another print program so I could show the results of the string, list, and the tuples. So this is the result, and now we have to proceed to our next data type. Next up is the mapping types, and this also takes place in the dictionary list method. And now I have to make a dictionary mapping type, and I define the dictionary as healthy. And after that, I have to put an equal sign and some curly braces with the words fruit, avocado, vegetables, and carrots within the double quotes. And after all that, I have to put a print program for the sake of output. All I did was to type down the print program code and the string healthy inside of it. And now, here's the output. And we're going to proceed to the next topic. Next up is the set types. And in the set types, we have the set and the frozenset. As you can see right now, I am making a set. And to make a set, I defined it as num and put in the numbers 1, 2, 3, and backwards. And next, I am going to make a frozenset. And in the frozenset, I defined it as imset. And I have to type down the equal sign and type frozenset with the parentheses and square brackets in it with the numbers 1, 3, and 5. And after that, I have to put down two print programs with the yung number string and imset strings. So we can finally see the results of the code and to finally proceed to our next data type. And finally, we have the Boolean and the NoneType. All I did here was to type some words and equals them to true. Same as the other one, I have to put down another word and equal it to none. And to wrap up these final data types, I have to put two print programs for the Boolean string and the NoneType string. And you can finally see the result afterwards. So that is all for my tutorial today, and I have to see you in the next video. Goodbye!